Hello, hello, hello. Cool. Let's carry on. So I actually managed to lose some more work because I hadn't saved it. So earlier today, I was in here. Luckily, streaming. I was able to just like pause my video and just check where everything was. And yeah, so we're here. We are at a place where we are now able to iterate through the CID, the change and draw 2D array, and for each column, well, each row, we are going through and we are, if it's for we just want the number, we're going through and we are pushing that to the second element of the change denominations, right? So when I run this, I get a nice number here. Right now it's literally just recreating this because I am not doing any calculations, and I'm just going through it and say, okay, what's this value, and that's my change denominations one. So I'm changing those denominations. So what I want to do now is some calculations. I want to be able to determine how much of each denomination I want to send back. So I'm gonna try and do this one. I need to try and figure out what I need to do. So I just remind myself what the requirement is. Difference in the price of the item, the amount of cash provided, and the amount of cash in the drawer. Okay. We'll deal with the status thing later. I want to now deal with so let's just check with that one. We've got a total price of 326. If I give them $4, I am expecting what? I'm expecting 74. The 74. Let's see, what would they say? So if I give you 4, I get a quarter, a dime, and a penny. I don't know what that means. So let's figure out. Yes, I need to figure out what the numbers actually mean. Yes, so I need to be able to convert. So okay. So I'm looking for something that will sort of help me break down. I'm going to try and use Claude to do this. But what I want to understand is how the numbers break down. Pennies, dimes, nickels, quarters, and stuff like that. Because each one's going to mean something different, isn't it? This is what I need. Yes. Perfect. Right, okay. This is super useful. I think this is exactly what I need, actually. Let's just check. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, dollar, 5, 10, 20, 100. Okay, so right, alright. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, dollar. So what I need to decide is a couple of things. I'm going to copy this and bring it across here, because now I need to do some thinking about so I'm going to just drop it in here. Sorry about that. The price I enter here, is that in dollars or is that in cents? I'm gonna say it's in dollars. I'm gonna say it's in dollars. Yeah, I'm gonna say everything's in dollars. Oh, that's what they provided actually. Yeah. Right, that's what this table is. Right, okay. Right, so I need to just figure out some maths here. And admittedly my head isn't screwed on right now. So I'm like struggling. So what I'm trying to understand is, for pennies, they've got a pound, a dollar and one in pennies. And they've got $5 worth of nickels, $3.1 worth of dimes. Okay, so let's say everything's in dollars, right? Then we've got this. I'm gonna stick this somewhere. I'm gonna bring this up here. Right. I've got these. What was that? I've got these that I can now use. Okay, so now let's try and think of the algorithm that we will use. So we are iterating through, right, from the bottom. So let's try and understand what we're trying to do here. If I have if I buy something that's worth $1 and I give the person $20, I'm expecting $19 back. Out of that $19, I'm expecting 110. So the largest will be the largest part, the largest element would be the first one will be a 10 out of that 19, right? Yeah. So this is where that divide thing I was thinking about was coming through. So I want to so for each I'm starting here 100, right? Let's see, I don't like so 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay, so I don't think I can use the 9 there. I'm starting through, and I'm going through the 2 elements there, right? Now what I want to do is I want to check that yes, I want to find the first lowest, the highest value that I can subtract from that. So if it's a 20, 100, I can't subtract 100. I can't subtract 20. First I can take is 10. Right. So I need some way. I think, yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to do this on here. Once the pens and the pencils start coming out, you know we're in tough territory. So once I get there, so let's say 19, right? So would it be a switch? I think I need a switch. No, but a switch will escape. No, it's a select case, right? What's that thing? Select case. Yeah, switch statement is what it's called, yeah. So I'm trying to figure out a way to not use an if statement, but I think that's the only way I can. So I know this is a way to get in. What I'm trying to do is I'm going to come through and I'm going to say if in the first instance if CID one I only want to go there. So actually let me see. Oh, I don't need this actually, so if I can just, if I use an and I only want to do it once for the second element, right? So if 100 minus I want to say CID I 1 minus 100, then do that, right? So if I then do that, I should get nothing. Okay, but what if I do 200, what happens then? Oh, no. Wait, what's happening? I don't think I'm changing. I'm just gonna make this one. I'll say so what am I doing? Nothing's happening then. Yeah. Okay, so there's a couple of things happening here. I'm not hitting that last one. Okay, alright. I'm gonna call it here, but there's a couple things happen. I'm not touching that last element, that last row. So 100 remains 0, and it seems I'm always going in here, even though I guess this is not checking. This condition is not being met. Alright, I've got some things to debug. Let's save our code. Yeah. I'm gonna go into my debug. Alright guys.